Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Purva and we are talking about mongoose and its queries, all the operators that you can use with an array. Just a quick recap, we talked about and operator, or operator, in operator, not in operator until now. If this somehow relates to your queries and you have some questions, something which is not working, go back and watch my previous videos. We have a student schema and each student has a name, enroll to some courses. We are going to use this in these videos as an example. Let's talk about how to remove some element from the array or add some element to the array. For example, let's say in our case a student has enrolled to a new course. In our use case, let's say John has enrolled to a new course called Python. How do you add that element in this array? I have some boilerplate code ready, so I will just continue from there. This is a function which is already exported, enroll student. What we'll need in the body, it is going to be a post API, and what we'll need in the body is a course that we want to enroll the student to and student ID. You might want to add some other conditions like this is not already there or whatever, but simply for just for the sake of simplicity, I am going to not add any further conditions. Use it as you need. So let's write the query first. This will return us a student. It will be a asynchronous query, so we'll use await. And now student data is a schema dot update one, where id is sid. I hope this looks better now, more clear. Where student ID is this, and what do you want to do? What do you want to update? We want to add another course for this student. Simply, mongoose provides an operator called push, which we can use for this purpose. So push courses course, and that is all. Let's see if this works. We will return this in the response. Saved it, restarted the service, go back to the postman. This is a new service, student enroll. We want to enter student ID and courses input. I've copied student ID from our previous students query. Let's fetch them again to show you that I'm using the current data. Let's say if you want to enroll Tom to a new course called Python, we take the student ID from here. We pass the student ID in the body and we add courses Python. Send this. It returns that modified count is 1. Okay, let's see if this worked. We refresh the students. Okay, Tom is now enrolled to Python as well. This works. Now let's say if a student wants to de-enroll from a course. How do we do that? To give an example, let's say if Tom wants to de-enroll from React now. I'm going to reuse the same method. You should do it in a different function, of course. For this, mongoose provides pull. You don't have to do anything else. You de-enroll from this course. Save it, restart your service. Instead of Python, we will say React. Send, modified count is 1. That means this is done successfully. We fetch the students again, and you can see that React is gone from the courses list of Tom. A quick recap: we enroll the student to a new course, de-enroll the student to a particular course, used push and pull operators for mongoose. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped. In the next video, we will talk about the difference between pull and pull all. If you want to be notified for next videos, hit on the subscribe button now. Thank you. Bye.